If your KitchenAid freestanding ice machine is not producing ice, leaking water, or not putting water into the reservoir, the water inlet valve could be the culprit. I'm David with AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I'll guide you through how to test and replace that part. Don't worry if this is your first time working on an appliance. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by getting our tools together. For today's work, we'll need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a multimeter, and a light. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your freestanding ice machine or turn the breaker off. If you're not getting any water to go into the water reservoir and you are certain there's water going to the appliance, you may have a bad inlet valve. This model has what is called a smart valve. First, locate the smart valve. It's usually either tucked in the back or up front, most often on the left side near the condenser coils. On this unit, it's in the front. There are 4 screws holding the front panel on. Once they are removed, you will see the valve on the left side. Now remove the 2 screws on the left side that hold the valve in place. Extreme care should always be taken to protect against electric shock, which could potentially result in serious injury. Please do not test live voltage if you are uncomfortable using a multimeter around live voltage. Now plug the unit back in. Once you've got access, find the black wire and then the white one running into the valve. Leave the power on and make sure the machine is in a fill mode. Now take your reading. You should read 120 volts AC. If that voltage is there and the valve still isn't doing its job, that's your answer. The valve's shot and needs to be replaced. No voltage? More than likely the board has failed. One of the best tools that you can have in your toolbox is a multimeter, and we'd love to show you how the device works and how you can benefit from using it. Check out the video in the description. First things first, make sure the water supply to the inlet valve is turned off. Unplug the unit. Disconnect the 2 wiring connectors. You'll see 2 John Guest fittings attached. Don't cut the tubing. Let me show you the right way to take them off. Push the tubing in towards the valve, then press down on the round collar while pulling the tube out. It might take a couple of tries to get the feel for it, but once you've done it, it's pretty straightforward. Here's the old water inlet valve, and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Reconnect the tubing. Make sure to push it in firmly so that it doesn't leak. Reconnect the wire connectors and remount the valve to the side wall using the 2 screws. Before you put the cover back on, turn the water on and check for leaks. Reconnect the plug and you're done. Great job getting your KitchenAid ice machine back in top shape. We'd love to hear how your repair turned out. So feel free to share your experience in the comments below. If you find yourself needing a replacement water inlet valve, just grab your model number and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive in just a few days. Thanks for trusting us with your do-it-yourself repair journey, and we're here for your next project too.